I'm just going to do a real quick colouring, and when I mean quick, I mean super, super, super quick. So good morning, Shari. How you going? Okay, so starting off with my dark Daffodil Delight, and I am using the brush tip, and the brush tip is getting to the point where I'm going to have to switch it over soon. So I tend to do that with my markers. I grab a different brand. I actually use Ohuhu ones. They're actually getting hard to get hold of. They used to be on Amazon, but they're not anymore. So just really quick flicking. And then this one is actually getting really dry. I have replaced the nib on this one, so you can see that. And you can see that the tip of it is actually going a little bit white. So that is on the dry side. But I don't mind it for this look because I'm not actually taking the colour all the way to the end of the petal. It's just a real messy kind of colouring today, which is good when you want fast things. So, but I still didn't want it to be... I thought, oh, I need some new ones. So they did actually turn up the other day, and I've got them still in my box. I got them when we had the big sale on. So, and then what I'll do is I'll keep the nib from this one and I'll replace it in those ones when they start not going very well. So, all right, so just going around. I haven't taken the colour all the way to the end, and then I'm just going to come in and make that centre just a wee bit darker. And as you can see, there's nothing flashy about that colouring at all.